Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog of mine, which is going to be a travel vlog. By now you would have already had an idea about what this vlog is all about. So I am all ready. I'm all set to this is my outfit. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I'll show you the outfit in the later part. So I am going to Goa. So I just wanted to take the solo trip, and after losing Bruno, it is really very difficult to accept that he is no more, and I'm still not able to process that he's left me forever and will never be coming back. Well, I hope he's resting in heaven and joined his buddies up there. So I just wanted a break. I was reading about this since a real long time, and I didn't want to feel lost in the slump. So I decided to go on a solo travel, solo vacation to Goa. And I guess there's nothing better than Goa to kind of, feel good and refresh yourself. So yeah, the time now is 1:25 it is. So my flight is at 5, and last time when I had gone to Prayagraj, I had forgotten my waist pouch, which had power bank and Apple earphones in it. So for that there are some formalities which I have to go and fulfill. So once that is done, I can be at peace and I can have a big sigh of relief that okay, finally I haven't lost it. It is very much with me. And since I'm vlogging, I definitely need the power bank. That is the main reason why I purchased that power bank, and it is such a cute one. I'll show you once I get it. So which is why I have to leave pretty early to the airport. And yeah, have not yet had my lunch. I'll have my lunch now and I'll be ready to leave. My bags are all packed and I'll see you guys later. I was thinking of something and I don't know. I just put so much of fries. I'm not gonna waste it, but I've never had such a heavy meal before boarding a flight anytime. So yeah, this is my lunch. Time now is 4:15 p.m. and finally I reached airport. I was pretty late, though I left at 1:45 I guess, but I was stuck in horrible traffic. Well, after reaching the Air India Express ticket counter in the airport terminal 2, they denied to give me my articles, and in spite of requesting, they never gave whatever they had promised. Well, the baggage check-in counter was closed and I was asked to carry both my luggages in cabin. Thankfully, I'd finished with my web check-in previous day. That saved me a lot of time, but I wasn't happy that I couldn't get my power bank, earphones and my waist pouch though. Weather was really horrible, and as you can see the turbulence, right? So however, looking at these clouds, I kind of forgot the rest as we were ready to alight at Dabolim Goa airport. Time now is 6:25 and that is a flight that I took, and reached Dabolim airport, Goa. I heard it is a offense in Goa airport by if you take photography and if you're taking photos or something like that. I don't know why I'm stammering so much. I had a terrible experience at Bangalore International Airport at Terminal 2. I will talk about the bad experience that I went through. So here I am in Goa. Finally arrived. The weather is pretty humid. It is my skin already feels very sticky even before going out. So yeah, that's it. We'll see how the entire journey goes. Kalangut, Panaji, Sea Rock, Anjuna, Fontaines. This is a good thing that they have done. People will know what are the main attractions of this place, right? So yeah, Dudhsagar. Finished this. Cabo de Rama, Dona Pola. Since I kept all my luggage in the cabin baggage, I don't have to claim my baggage, so I'm just walking hassle free without any tensions. I'm just gonna exit from that gate. Let's see if I can take good pictures. Yes, there are some more attractions here. Oh, this seems repeated. Okay, we're done. Goa culture. Airport. Living liquids. What is that? Whoa. SBI. Everywhere I go, I can see my mama's bank. ATMs. Which way exit? Okay, that's where we exit from the airport. Since all my baggage, both my baggages were kept in cabin baggage, I didn't have to do the baggage claiming. So I'm just exiting from the airport, just like that. My hair is already reacting to the humid weather. Nobody to click my pictures or take videos, so this is the struggle of a solo traveler, and this is what I do. So I've kept my phone on the trolley. I'll show you. It's like this. Yay! Welcome to Goa! It's already like past sunset now, and that's my cab driver. I'm heading towards the accommodation. I'll show you the route, and I'll give you the room tour once I reach. You look like Bruno to me. Bruno? Hi, Bruno. Your name is Bruno na? This is the night view of my room balcony from 4th floor of the property that I'm staying, and a quick room tour and brief for you guys. The blue paint I somehow didn't like. Anyways, voila, that's me. Good morning, people. Hi, guys. Okay. People are having their time in the pool. I don't want to take their videos. This is the balcony view. That is the reception. That is where I'll have my breakfast. Let me see what I'll have, if I'll have here or not. Hi guys, so this is the sit out area. I'm sitting here right now and I'm vlogging. Yesterday night I was so tired. There's too much of like little bit of chaos here and there, and oh my god, it's so sunny, and I love sun-kissed videos and pictures. You guys know how obsessed I am with that, right? So yes, I'm right now sitting here in the balcony in the sit-out area. This is the sit-out area. I'll give you the room tour once I leave, once I check out, because right now it is fully messed up. It is so cluttered. I've literally pulled out every damn thing from my suitcase, and I was searching for my tripod. I got so panicky, and I had terrible stress thinking I have lost my mic and my tripod set. So yeah, having said that, keeping all the chaos away, well, today's itinerary, today's plan is I'm going for water sports. I was a person who was always scared of water sports, water adventures. So 2025 is all about doing away with all the fears that I have. So that is what fear I have in water, what I have in land, what I have in air. So that's my resolution. Like that is how it's gonna be this year for me, and I'm taking up all those adventure challenges, and you guys will see how I will be able to face it. I will be able to make it. It's a yay or a nay. So let's see how it goes. I've not yet had my breakfast. Last night I didn't even have dinner. I just came and I just crashed, and I woke up at, now the time now is actually 7:35, and it's time for me to get going. So I'll talk to you in the later part. This is sunscreen that I've put. Lots of sunscreen. I use Aqualogica SPF 350, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I use that, and right now I'm multitasking because my tripod, I've already packed it. It's time to go. Okay guys, I'll see you around later. Time now is 8:25 a.m. and I didn't get picked up from the person who promised he will. I stay 13 kilometers away from the pickup point from my accommodation where the activities start. I don't know why I'm always running late. The boat is moving, guys. I haven't had my breakfast also. I'm feeling so tired. They have given us puff and samosa, veg puff and samosa, but I'm scared to eat because empty stomach diving into water, I might just end up puking. So I'm gonna keep it to the last. Whenever you're booking for any water activities, make sure you book well in advance. You will be able to get decent discounts. I paid 2,000 for the entire water sports activities and 1,000 as the booking advance amount. So once you pay 2,000, you will receive all the information on your WhatsApp with respect to the time, the itinerary, types of activities, what to wear, what not to wear, extra costs included for scuba suits and head cap, etc, etc. I had to pay 200 extra to protect my ears from water entering, and which I've understood gives a lot of pain when you dive inside, as the water pressure is really more when you go under the sea. So yeah, and scuba suit was 300, that was exclusive. Food was free, and the ear cap, again as I mentioned, is 200 rupees. Well, after this we also had some dolphin show, which was postponed to the next day. So again I had to come on day 2 to see the dolphin.
खींचना है, छोड़ना है, खींचना है, छोड़ना है। इसका भी कौन कौन करता है? सिगरेट और इसका सेम है। खींचना है, छोड़ना है, खींचना है, छोड़ना है। मुझसे ही लेना है, मुझसे ही छोड़ना है। आपके पास भाई, आपके पास मोबाइल, वॉलेट वगैरह जो भी सामान है, लगेज है, तो लगेज पे रखो। ये तो यहाँ सीट पे रख सकते हो। यहाँ कोई किसी का सामान टच नहीं करता। टच करेगा तो हम ले लेंगे, कोई मोड़ से भागने वाला नहीं है। सेफ्टी है आपकी सामान। हमारे पास GoPro कैमरा है, हम अपने कैमरे से निकालेंगे वीडियो और जाने के टाइम पे आपको दे देंगे, वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है। ठीक, बस ये है कि आपको रुकना है। कार में पानी भरता है तो बहुत प्रेशर आता है, फ्लाइट में कौन ट्रैवलिंग करता है, इसमें प्रेशर आता है ना, उससे यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा उसके लिए हमारा स्टाफ कैब लेके आता है, वो पैकेज में इंक्लूड नहीं होता है, कंपलसरी भी नहीं है। जिसको चाहिए उसका 200 रुपीज़ चार्ज रहता है, चाहिए तो आप ले सकते हैं, नहीं चाहिए तो मतलब आपकी ऊपर मर्जी है। लेकिन वो लगता है कान में बहुत प्रेशर आता है। गए और आगे तो वीडियो नहीं होता है, लगता है 10 मिनट और अंडर वाटर का 1 मिनट, आपको सेम टाइमिंग लगेगा। नहीं मुझे 10 मिनट होगा, रियल में 1 मिनट हुआ रहेगा। ठीक, तो आपको 6-7 मिनट तो रुकना ही है। कान में पानी भरता है तो बहुत प्रेशर आता है, वो लगता है। और कोई सलमान खान बनना चाह रहा है तो बिना कैब की भी कर सकता है। आके मत बोलो रुक नहीं पाए, वीडियो नहीं हुआ, रुकोगे तो वीडियो होगा, रुकोगे नहीं तो वीडियो नहीं होगा। सब लोग लाइफ जैकेट डालो, ऊपर डालो, जिसका स्कूबा हुआ लाइफ जैकेट डालो और स्विमिंग के लिए जा सकते हो स्कूबा होने के बाद। हाँ, स्विमिंग नहीं भी आता है ना तो भी ये लाइफ जैकेट है, फ्लोर में रखेगा। तो स्कूबा होने के बाद किसी को अगर स्विमिंग करना है तो जा सकते हो। यहाँ पर जब तक स्कूबा डाइविंग होगा किसी को भी वॉशरूम यूज़ नहीं करना है, वॉशरूम यूज़ नहीं करना है। यूज़ करोगे पूरा बाहर जाएगा और आप लोग भी बाहर रहेंगे, तो यूज़ नहीं करना है। इसका नंबर आएगा, हम बुला लेंगे, लैब लेके निकालो, गाड़ी निकालो, सब लोग। आ गया। आ गया। ऊपर ही रहोगे।
हाथ ऐसे खुल के रखोगे तो भी चलेगा। नहीं डूबोगे, नहीं डूबोगे, ऊपर ही रहोगे। हाथ खोल के रखो, हाथ खोल के रखो हाथ।
Scuba diving done. I just now finished scuba diving. I was feeling so peckish. With some training, I was able to do it. Finally did it. After finishing the scuba diving, they will send us all the scuba videos and pictures on our respective WhatsApp numbers. So after this, they provided us lunch. They also have options of veg and non-veg lunch. I thankfully skipped having lunch because I usually avoid having food before doing any such water adventures or activities. The food is inclusive of the package cost of rupees 2000. After reaching at a distance where you can see almost the sea or the beach shore that you can see, there was this boat which carried 10 people at a time in the batch, and that was for parasailing. I was scared of doing this but didn't want to miss the fun, so I did it. This was next followed by the bumper ride, banana boat ride, jet skiing, surfing, etc. And yes, I had really good time doing all these water activities. Next day, as I mentioned, was the dolphin show, which we had to skip on day one. I've seen today. I think I'll go and join him. I hope he doesn't chase me away. It started raining, drizzling actually. Hi boy, can I come and sit here? Hello? 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 Can I sit here? Kuchanacha? Ayo, he came out. Ontuma? Onuma? ये चना कितना है?
10 रुपये।
ठीक है, ये चना एक,
ये वाला सब 10 है।
ठीक है, ये चना, मूंगफली और ये मटर दीजिए। Done with all the water activities scheduled for the day. I had severe seasickness and felt terribly sick, so I spent some time in the beach and booked a cab back home while I kept sipping the tender coconut water and reached home to rest well for some hours. Hello guys, I couldn't close the vlog on the beach because I got terrible seasickness. I have puked not less than 6 to 7 times if I'm not wrong. So I just came to my stay. I got ready. Now I have decided to go for a solo candlelight dinner. Why not, right? So I'm going for a candlelight dinner. I'm gonna pamper myself, have yummy food, just chill by the beach, have anything I want, listen to good music, and just chill and make the most of this night at Goa. Yeah, it's 9 p.m. now, and I'm stepping out. There's a bad news that now there are no Ola or Ubers, so everywhere we have to only book taxi. Since this is almost a walkable distance for me to the beach, it's hardly 500 meters or 250 meters. So since it is in the main lane of the beach, I have decided to walk it up. Why not? So that I can feel a little better. Right now I'm very exhausted. I'm very chakkar aa raha hai mujhe literally, but yeah, I will go have dinner and forget whatever happened in the entire day with all that seasickness and everything. But it was amazing. I tried to overcome all my fears of water that I had. I do have seasickness, but the fear of water was very much. So just started playing music by the pool. People here. However, what was I saying? Where was I? Okay, after looking back in the video, I realized where I stopped. So I said that I was having a fear of water and I just wanted to overcome that fear. So my 2025 resolution was all about that, overcoming my fears. So this is the first part of the series of overcoming fear. So post which you will know more that I will try to overcome. No matter how sick I'll fall, I'm never gonna give up on this. So yay! Tito's Lane, Baga Beach. Time now is 9:28. I don't know why are they even staring? My god, I don't know where to go. Shit, all guys are staring. This is so embarrassing. I'm just loving the ambience of this.
Is the one who's steaming and who's suddenly thinking, should I go for it, should I not? And if he wasn't there,
Which place I choose to have a candlelight dinner by my own. So this is the ambience of this place. Fairy lights are the prettiest thing I've seen. This is the most beautiful thing that I've seen, I guess. And I've never come to Baga Beach. This is the first time I've ever come to Baga Beach. I've always been to Bagatap, but yeah, the nightlife in Baga is amazing. हाई फाई मुंह पे दे रही है हाई फाई I have chosen this place called Cafe Marine Beach Shack, and I'm here right now. So this is the candlelight, solo candlelight dinner, and choosing menu. Let's see what I can eat. Looking so ready. This is supposed to look pink. I don't know why I'm red. Black. started with masala papad. No matter where I go, I just don't miss having masala papad, followed by some yummy hot seafood soup. And how can I miss calamari when I'm in Goa? Well, I didn't have much space for main course, and that was all I ate for my dinner. And I love chilling by the beach during night. I sat here for an hour and I realized I have to walk all the way back to my room. I wish I could stay long, but yeah, gotta be safe and responsible, as you know, I'm solo traveling. Well, I had a good time at the beach, snacking on yummy food. Calling it a day. That's all, folks. Hope you liked this video. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you all in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.